Alexis, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're going to do a tie-tie haul. I believe I bought this clothes last week pa, pero I decided to have or film a haul for you guys because I challenged myself to only spend 1,000 peso for this tie-tie haul. And let's start. I'm going to show you the things that I bought in tie-tie. We're going to start with...
What up?
Say hi.
Bro?
Hi. Say hi with... Hi vlog. Hi
Hi
vlog. Hi vlog. Okay. So, we're going to start with a bodysuit.
I'm cool.
Actually, lahat ng mga nabili ko, mostly nakuha ko lang siya sa Bagpi. Pero marami pang mga bagong stall. Yung mga... Dati pa ako bumibili sa tie-tie. Pero ngayon lang ako nag-decide na mag-haul and i-challenge yung sarili ko na 1,000. Kasi minsan pag bumibili ako doon, lumalagpas ng 2,000, ganyan. Pero ngayon, timid tayo, beshi. So, let's start with the bodysuit. First time ko nakakita nito and first time ko magta-try magsuot. And I bought this mustard color bodysuit. And it says here, sun's out, buns out. Tapos, yung isa pa, kumuha ako ng Old Rose na meron siyang queen sa gitna. Tapos, I bought a black one, which is Slay. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang i-tuck in sa shorts, pants, or whatever. Tapos, meron ako nakita dun mga shorts na parang 20 pesos, 45 pesos. I believe this is only 45 pesos lang. Pero, ang hirap maghanap kasi wala nang size yung iba. Tapos, this one, I also bought this for 100 pesos. It's a ripped shorts. Package siya dun sa mga bodysuits na nabili ko. I already tried that out. I'm going to try to put pictures on this video kung paano ko siya sinuot. Tapos, I also bought a kimono which is color white lang, just a cover up. Super nice naman siya. And, malaki. Malaki siya. There. I'm not sure if you can see the style. Tapos, ito din, I also bought this. This is like a crop off-shoulder thing. Maganda din siya. Comfortable. Cotton din siya. Tapos, I also bought a terno, which is 100 pesos lang. Ito, we have the pants. Tapos, white off-shoulder. Sobrang presko, guys. Sobrang presko niya sa katawan. Yan. Ayoko kasi nung mga shirts na kumakapit yung pawis. Yung hindi pala na-absorb yung pawis. Parang ganun. Kasi parang ang baho niya. Tapos I also bought this color green off-shoulder. Tapos yung dress. There. Super nice. Super body fit. I like this. Tapos, same color na shorts. This is high-waisted shorts. Tapos, meron siyang ribbon. Things that I bought in tie-tie and it cost me not more than 1,000. Parang meron pa nga ata akong sukli sa 1,000 pesos ko. I'm not sure if 1,000 or 50 pesos lang yung sukli or 100 pesos. I'm not sure. Pero I'm going to try to put the details or the prices here once I'm done editing it out. So, yeah. If you decide to go to tie-tie, make sure to bring your own eco bag. Tapos, as much as possible, wag mag-aalahas and stuff. So, yeah. Pero for this one pala, guys, marami kayong mabibilan sa Bagpi. Sobrang dami. Merong sole, merong pangkatapat. Dati, puro tent-tent lang yun, pero ngayon inayos na rin nila. So, sobrang okay nang mamili doon. Tapos may parking. By the way, if you're gonna bring a car, meron siyang parking fee, 50 pesos. Pero may mga mag-guide na kasi, before kasi wala kahit saan, parang pwede kang mag-park. Tapos, yeah. Just a reminder, guys, these things that I bought, it's all in Bagpi. Kasi iniko talaga namin yun, and we don't have enough time to go to Seoul part ng tie-tie. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any requests, comment down below. Don't forget to click like, subscribe,
And comment.
and comment down below for more videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.